Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to hide products here on Shopify. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Shopify, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Hiding products on Shopify is a straightforward process that can be done in multiple ways. For example, if a product is temporarily out of stock, you may want to hide it to prevent customers from placing orders. And of course, this helps avoid disappointing customers and ensures they only see available products. Alright, so number one option is once you are inside a specific product, for you to be able to make it disappear or hide it on your product section. On the status, there's going to be an option that says draft. All right. If you keep the product and make it to a draft mode, what will happen is the product will be hidden from all sales channels, but it'll be remain in your Shopify dashboard. If you click on save, all right, your product will be hidden for now, for the moment. Now I'm going to set it as active and save it. And I'm going to the left side panel of my dashboard and click on products. So these are going to be some options for us to hide our products. When you preview an online store, you would be forwarded to your specific interface wherein this is going to be the product. All right. Now I'm going back again to the product section. Now, if you click this section here, you're going to have multiple options. You can delete the products if you wanted, but that's not hiding. It's actually deleting the product. But another option is to archive products. If you do that, it will hide them from your sales channel and Shopify admin. You'll find them using the status filter in your product list. And if you click this button right here, and if you go to your online store, you would notice that it should be hidden from the Shopify store. All right. Now, again, from here, you can put in as draft. All right. And if we refresh our main store, all right, you see the product is sold out. All right. And again, all I have to do is click on active. And by using these methods, you can hide products from your Shopify store without deleting them, allowing for flexibility in product management and seasonal offerings or even inventory adjustments. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.